So hello and welcome to Film Mixologist. So today I'm working on the head of the Aerograph compressor that comes with my Lister D. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the camera a bit closer and I'm going to show you kind of the main features of all the kind of the valve system for this compressor. How does it kind of operate? Which is really interesting. This is the first time I've done one of these kind of old style compressors, and actually it's been a bit of a learning curve. So I'll show you what I've done and the rest of the kind of steps that are remaining on the cleaning process. Okay, so starting with the inlet, I mean it's quite helpfully marked here. Basically, on the inlet side, you've got this, and you've got this that is some sort of like puppet valve. So basically, when he wants to let the air in, let me just put it here. There you go. So basically, this valve is sprung with this thing. So I'll show you when I finish building it where it is. As you can see, the valve, and so therefore when the piston comes down, basically it pulls on here, the vacuum, and opens this valve here. But then when the piston starts coming up and it starts pushing against this valve, and it closes this valve. So that's the operation of the inlet. Let me take this out momentarily. There you go. And then as the piston starts coming up, it starts acting on this mechanism here. As you can see, it's like a metal piece that is sitting on this round bronze valve, and basically where this goes here inside there with this little cap with holes in it, like so. There you go. And then it's capped off by this huge kind of bronze plug, and this plug then goes on top. And then on the inlet side you have got this wonderful kind of valve here, and this is kind of what tops it off, and this is what goes on top of here. So I think that now one thing that I have to say is that it took me at the very least kind of 2 goes on the ultrasonic cleaner to clean this, because it was in a bit of a state. So I don't know how efficient this compressor head would have been, and a lot of the things that I had to do, this was sort of okay. I mean, I had to clean a lot there. There was a lot of dirt in there, so I don't know how efficient it would have been. And also in the inlet there was a lot, I don't know if you could see it over there, there was a lot of dirt on the inlet, and there was some like greasy material, so it was in pretty bad shape. So I don't know how good it would have been. So now what remains is I need to start putting it back together. Also, what I need to do, I'm gonna clean this face, goes just a little bit. This is just surface thing. Because what I need to do is I need to get a paper gasket and create a gasket for this. So I'll show you kind of once I start building it and the process of creating a gasket. So, but that's on the next episode. So see you later.